番号は後ろの車両から1号車、2号車の順です。The Limited Express Sakura Liner bound for Yoshino is arriving at track 5. To board a Limited Express train, a Limited Express ticket is needed in addition to a regular ticket.